Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we will explore how to manage multiple price list rates in sales orders in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the Sales Order module, click on Configuration, and select the relevant sales order configuration. Here, you will find the feature labeled as Multiple Price List Rates, which involves several parameters. We will explore each parameter one by one. Let's begin with the second parameter, Multi-Price List Rates. In the case of multi-price list rates, we will select None here. Before observing the functionality of multi-price list rates during sale order generation, let's first take a quick look at its setting. For the same, go to the Define Multiple Price List module. First, define the expense name and save the entry. Next, go to the Define Formula tab. Simply create the configuration name, then specify the base rate to which the formula will be applied, along with the default value and calculation method accordingly. Let's go to the Sales Order window and observe the functionality. The price list we configured is now displayed in the Price List drop-down. Select the relevant price list and proceed with generating the sales order. As shown, the MRP of the item is 4,000 rupees and the system automatically calculates the sale rate as 3,200 rupees based on the defined price list formula, MRP minus 20%. Now, let's move on to the next parameter in the list, Party plus Item Group Defaults. Let's take a quick look at its settings. For the same, go to the Define Item-wise Price List module. Here you need to define the price list. Then define the expense name. After that, under the price list configuration, select the price list you want to configure, then choose the base rate and select an expense from the list. Now let's proceed to the next step. Go to Define Party plus Item Group Defaults for the PL elements. Let's take a look at an already saved price list. Under Display, first select the item group, then select the account or account group, and click on Refresh. The grid displayed below will show the expense name along with the value. Now, let's move to the Sales Order window. Select the price list named PL from the list and proceed with the transaction. This item falls under the jeans category. As per the defined price list, any item categorized under jeans for the respective customer will have its rate calculated as MRP minus 30%. You can also view the details of the applied price list by pressing F4 on the rate field. Now, let's move on to the next parameter, Multiple Price List Rates as Party plus Item Markdowns. Let's take a quick look at its settings. Go to Define Party plus Company plus Group Item-wise Tax Markdowns. Select the party for which you want to set the markdown. Choose the entry type as either Company plus Group-wise or Item-wise. Select the relevant items. Enter the markdown percentage and finally save the data. Let's have a glimpse of its functionality while generating a sales order. In the price list, you must select MRP, as markdowns are always applied on MRP values. As you can observe, the rate has been calculated by applying a 5% markdown on the MRP. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.